In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to view your hosting or error logs, a crucial step for troubleshooting website issues and understanding why your site might be acting up. If you're experiencing unexpected crashes, internal server errors, or broken elements, checking the logs is the best place to start. If this video helps you get your site back on track, please hit the like button and subscribe for more technical walkthroughs. Let us dive right in. First things first, head over to your Hostinger account and log in. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the menu labeled Websites. Navigate to that page and you will see a list of your hosted domains. Find the specific website you are working on and click on the Dashboard button located right next to it. This takes you to the control panel for that specific site. From here, we need to access the server files. Look for the File Manager icon, usually located under the File section, and click it to open the File Explorer. Once the File Manager loads, you will see a list of folders. Double-click on the folder named public_HTML, which is where all your website files live. Now scroll down through your files and look for a file explicitly named error_log. If it exists, this file contains the history of server-side issues that have occurred. You can simply double-click or right-click to view the contents of the file, which will display the error messages along with timestamps. This data is incredibly useful for developers and support teams when diagnosing issues. If you don't see the file, it's possible there are no active errors or the log has not been generated yet. It's essentially that simple to uncover what's happening behind the scenes. If this guide saved you some time or helped you debug your website, do not forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Good luck with your website maintenance, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.